Thank you. You welcome back to my YouTube tutorial related to proposals and research papers and the way how to write research papers. Now I can start from research proposal today because most of the students are asking me to make a brief about the research proposal, right? How to write it. Thank you. Now we can start here. What's research proposal here? What's research proposal? It is what is a document, right? It is a document. It is a document of 3 to 7 pages. Document of 3 to 7 pages, maybe around to 12, 15 or so. It can reach like that, but it is usually its content is usually 3 to 7 pages. 3 to 7 pages that informs others of a proposed plan of a research. What's the plan here? What's the plan proposed here? Yeah, it shows like that. How to inform others proposed plan. For a researcher, to conduct his research, you have to set a plan. That plan is documented in a proposal paper. It determines specific ideas of research, states the purpose, scope, methodology, the purpose. Yeah, for what purpose? Yeah, for what purpose he is intended to go to perform, for what purpose he is intended to do the research, for scope, yeah, scope, which area he can arrive, which boundary he can arrive, what areas he can touch in which he is conducting the research. These are the basic things that research proposal have to encounter. The methodology also there. So how to achieve his predefined objective. It's also one of the aims that should be included in the research proposal. That's basic, what's called methodology. Which methods, which procedures he can proceed to achieve his targets. It's a basic. Another is about the overall organization and limitations of the study. It's also there here. Yeah, the organization, yeah, which the study should be organized. Which area he can touch, which area he cannot touch. That things have to be included here, right? And another is about the thank you. And the organization limitations of the study, right? And it also estimates its requirements for equipment, if necessary. What equipment he can use, what finance, what about the possible personnel that could be included as his research candidates, yeah, with whom he is intended to conduct research, with whom. Yeah, it is basic here that in research proposal, it is not the paper paging increase. The main thing is what is included in the paper research proposal, because good research papers, good projects, good research theses, maybe a bachelor's degree, maybe a master's degree, maybe a doctorate degree theses starts from the good research proposals, because good research proposals tells the audience uh, so that with whom he is conducting a research, for example, that possible personnel that can be included in his research candidates. And another is about is he single, he is conducting, is he with another person, colleagues, he is conducting, that's personals. How much finance he is inquiring for this research paper? Yeah, this basic, in which methodology, what materials he can require, what to his research papers. Yeah, the basic scope. These all are included in a specific research proposal. This basically uh, helps to have a basic. These are basics. These are basics for research proposal: scope, methodology, overall organization, limitations of the study, and requirements of the equipment if necessary. It is, but finance is also possible. It's necessary. Finance is necessary. So also, why he is financing your paper, your title means it is upon your good research proposal, because good title you have, good title that solves a basic, a good problem, a tangible problem. If you are solving that major problems, yeah, financing is okay. So a consultant body is financing, for example, for thesis students, master students. Why university is financing means because it requires to be for problem to be solved for a community, because its university is a service provider, right? It is not a tangible good provider, but it is what service provider. What is service? Knowledge, right? It's knowledge. Basically, it is making persons educated. changing the world in innovative manner. And it is all about to satisfy humans, to satisfy humans. So if you are solving a human's problem, if you are solving a tangible problem in surroundings, in environments, so university can finance you for your proposal. Thank you. Why purpose? Why? Why your research proposal? It is why. Because it is a document which determines whether a candidate is capable of carrying out independent research. Yeah, it's basically what capable of carrying. Do the candidate has capability to conduct this research, and it presents a problem, discusses related research efforts, outlines, outlines needed to solve the problem, the problem, and shows the design used to gather and analyze the data. How he can gathering data, how he can analyze the data, how he can collect data. For example, in the theoretical or like that social field researches, how he can collect data, how he can analyze data, not only social fields, in experimental area also, for example, in manufacturing fields, and for example, in thermal fields, in engineering fields, mechanical fields, and in design fields, in industrial engineering fields. If he is conducting an experiment, means how he can conduct experiment, where he can conduct experiment, can he gain material, is there material availability, and which area he can conduct research, and these are also basics that should be included in the research proposal. The purpose is that the concerned body who is funding the research paper understands that can he capable to do this research timely based. What the problem that he is doing intended to what he makes him to conduct these research papers, what discussions related to research efforts, what outlines he structure, can he achieve that? These things have to be understood clearly by the organization of which strictly funds your research paper or proposal. Thank you. The purpose of research proposal is also to be listened by a concerned body who is funding your research paper. Okay. How can, especially for funding, your proposal should be, yeah, to have funded, not all proposals are funded, right? Not every proposal is not funded to conduct the next steps of research. Why? Because to be funded, it should be clear, objective, right? Objective is clear. Objective is there, right? Clear objective should be there. Succinct, it's that realistic in your objectives. This one of the ideas what makes your research proposal to be funded. And you can ask yourself why this research should be funded. Yeah, why? Or why you are the best person to undertake this project. You have to understand as a researcher. To conduct research, a clear and good proposal should be conducted. To be funded, the concerned body who funds your research paper have to got clear objective, clear idea why he is conducting the research, how he can conduct the research, when he can conduct the research, and where he can conduct the research, and with whom he is conducting research, and with whom he can be guided. So these clear ideas can be got by concerned body when you are bringing the specific and to the point proposal writings. So how you can define research proposal? You are saying like that, if we are saying like that, how you can define it? It is a statement of intent and explains why the research should be done. It is a basic that explaining why it is done, why it should be done, why this research should be done. It is a statement, right? It is a brief statement. Two most important reasons to write a proposal. What's that? Academic, professional reasons. In academic proposals, that can be assigned as an assignment. They can lead to a thesis or dissertation in academic fields. Its proposal can be written for a thesis purpose, for a master's degree or second degree, for dissertation purpose, for a doctoral or third degree programs. It is in academic fields, right? What about in professional? They can be necessary for funding and grant applications. We are dealing about the professionals, means, for example, in the community service projects, Such projects are needs fully funded to solve such specific and such major problems of the communities around our surroundings. These are the basic, most important reasons why we are conducting reason proposal, right? For this purpose, it's funding and grant applications. They are conducting, the professionals are conducting for that purpose, right? Another is that the academics, yeah, in academics, it's academics, they are conducting for paper satisfaction, not only paper satisfaction, and they are conducting for some fulfillment and for such specific funding also, for specific funding also in thesis and dissertation for their specific academic qualifications they are conducting research. For that research, specific proposal have to be given for a consulted body to be proposed uh, to conduct the uh, research. Thank you. The quality of final research project often depends on the quality of the research proposal. Yeah, it is basic that the quality research proposals leads to quality research papers and the quality final research. Undermine these things, please. The purpose of the thesis proposal is to test students' ability. Yeah, students' ability. Yeah, the purpose is what ability to test ability of a person that conducting research. For example, in a BSc, we are getting about that means students have to understand how to do their proposals. Means it is their understanding their ability, their what upgrading their ability. So some consulted body, for example, university instructors and lecturers are checking their ability. For example, in BSc also, in MSc also, in MSc also, the those educated persons, the MSc holders, PhD holders are and making master students to be qualified. And they are also measuring their ability, students' ability, those master students' ability. In doctoral levels also, the students' ability have to be assessed by proposals to define, describe, and examine critically the research project. Yeah, to think creativity and to apply basic science and engineering, scientific and mathematical concepts and techniques, and to communicate in a scholarly and rigorous manner the plan, progress, and the result of research. Yeah, here it is the basic thing that to communicate scholarly, Yeah, what it is going in not alone within individuality, but we are successfully going to universe that solves a problem in a collaboration of the worlds because and in the world around 7 continents there are plenty of scholars of this field experts which are specially dealing for specific problems and for specific area of study. So to communicate with those and to understood in communication in science manner, and good research proposals have to be proposed prior than conducting a research paper. Yeah. So this is the basics about research proposal. Next, I will bring you the what about what should be included in the research proposal. What scholarly we can communicate with the research proposals. That's what parts you can see that things. Thank you.